www.jamiamadiniyajadid.org. WhatsApp group number +92 333 424 9302.
اب دور حدیث کے طالب علم مولانا عبداللہ رانا صاحب انگلش میں اپنے خیالات کا اظہار کریں.
السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. اما بعد فاعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. First of all, I want to say that I'm not that caliber of a person who can speak in front of our honorable teachers, but as they have given me order to speak about something related to Islam, about my perspective, so I will take that as an opportunity to speak, to shed lights on some of the issues that are in my mind and some things that are going on in our country, Pakistan especially. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Abdullah Rana. I have been to school, college and university. I have done my Bachelor's of Sciences in Information Technology. And then I came to this Jamia, alhamdulillah, and I have done that 8 years course. I have completed that course by the blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. One more thing I want to discuss. I will discuss three things actually. One thing is that the main difference that I have seen between the university culture and the madrasa culture. The main difference between the university culture and madrasa culture was their strategies, how they are teaching their students. There are basically two strategies that can be used to deliver a knowledge to a student, to educate a student. First is compete and grow, and the other is the support and grow. And there is a lot of difference between both of the strategies. First, the university they pursue compete and grow strategy. What they do, they develop a competition among the students, and then they tell them to grow. But this is a negative strategy because it creates hatred or jealousy among the competitors, and it produces people with the negative mind, with the negative objective, with the negative mindset, and with the negative personality traits. So it is really very dangerous for the well-being of the society. The other strategy which madrasa follows, actually I have seen, is the support and grow strategy. You have to support each other and you have to grow. This is the madrasa strategy, and it is so much powerful strategy that it creates people, students with the positive mindset, with the positive structure, with the positive personality traits. So it is obviously very thoughtful strategy. So because one feature is that Maulana Mufti Hassan Sahab, because he's my teacher, and I'm very sinful and I'm feeling very weak inside, but I have to express my thoughts, so I'm expressing that. The support and growth strategy, it creates love and respect and kindness for each other. And this is the positive feature of a human that is very necessary for the social well-being of the society. The second thing which I want to discuss is nowadays, everyone in our country going on, this issue is too much pop out, that everyone wants their rights. Rich wants their rights, poor wants their rights, male wants their rights, female wants their freedom rights, and now the transgenders also wants their rights. And it is really very bad, very unfortunate that it is accepted. This transgender law has been accepted in our country, which is forbidden in Islam, which is impermissible which is impermissible in Islam and which is not required though, because it has a self-perceived identity in it, and that's why we say that no to transgender law and no to women's freedom right law. But we need this madrasa culture to be implemented in the every department of the country, in every phase of our life. The other thing is that, third last thing which I want to elaborate, I am blessed by both sides, alhamdulillah. I have been to school, college and universities. I was mocked. I was really have to face many things, many negative things from the college and universities. But when I came to this Jamia Madaniya Jadeed, alhamdulillah, I have faced many new things, and I came to know the actual purpose of my life. I thank you all my teachers who loved me by their heart, and I thank you all the audience and my colleagues, alhamdulillah, for giving me so much respect and so much kindness. Thank you very much. Jazakallah khair.